Okay, so now let's go over this different drug. Here we have phenylephrine, 10 milligrams per ml. This needs to be diluted. Here's an option that I can do. If you don't want to dilute it, you can just scan it.
10 milligrams per milliliter.
And it'll give you phenylephrine 10 milligrams per ml. But what if I want this to be a different drug concentration? So here's what I'm going to do. This dilute button right here, I'm going to click that button, and you'll see a little light turn on. I'm going to take that same barcode and scan it again. So this is going to give me different options that I can either move this with my finger, or I can press the up and down arrows to give me the concentration that I'd like. I usually mix phenylephrine into a 100 cc bag, and so I usually like 100 micrograms per ml. The bag of fluid that I'm going to use is normal saline, though there's other diluents you can use, and I'm going to hit OK.
100 micrograms per milliliter.
So now this label will say dilution on it. It will give me the 100 mics per ml. And now I can add this to whatever bag that I want. We're going to be adding capability soon to do this with more drugs. If you have any suggestions, please let me know.